Hello everyone, welcome to Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I will show you how to add a background in Google Docs. So let's begin the video. At first, open your document. Now click on Insert from the top menu and then go to Image. Now upload the image you want to use as your background. You can upload an image from your computer, Google Drive, Photos, camera, or by a link. Once the image is uploaded, click on it and here you will see some options. Select behind text. Now move the image to your desired location. Resize it to fit the area you want. Now again select the image, right click on it and select image options. Now from here go to adjustment and change the opacity. There you have it. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.